More at 6. A bit.
More at 6.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today video we're gonna be sanding the Accord because the paint job was not that good, so we can feel a little debris. So whenever we put in the wrap, you can see little bubbles here. You cannot see it. Oh, you can see it a little bit over here, but it looks like acne. So we decided with my friend that we're gonna be sanding the car, wet sand it just a little bit, just to take out that debris. Like I said, the paint job was not that great, so now we have to sand the car at least to look decent whenever we put the wrap. So, but yeah, the car's gonna look good, I'm for sure, but we have to sand the car. I'm heading out to work right now. Whenever like we come back from work, like around 5, so I will stay over here. I stay over here in Houston, so like whenever it's gonna be like around 5, 6, I'm gonna do a small vlog. Yeah, guys, I'm excited. I'm excited to be uploading more videos and do like type of vlogs. So yeah, guys, we came to connect the trailers. This is my dad's Suburban. I have the Tundra. So this is the what we're working with. This is a pump jack. It's like scaffolding. So yeah, guys, everything is connected. Let's go. But right now, I just rent this. I rent this scaffolding, but right now we're working in another shop. We're doing sheetrock and painting. So Bill.
Oh, you're pointing with the
Yeah.
fuck? Oh, hell
Don't tell me your camera shine.
How much I'm fucking ugly.
Nah, bro, we come from work, like.
I'm fucking ugly. Look at the fucking wearing. Let's cover that up.
Look at me, bro. Come from work, straight out to work.
I'm like a fucking plumber.
Nah, you look like a. You look like a.
I'm like a sexy motherfucker.
Yeah. That was in the car.
Yo, 2 weeks. 2 more weeks. Order wrap. This shit gonna be done.
Yeah, 2 more weeks. Now let's say 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
It is?
Yep. How it feels?
Feels rough as shit. Feels fucking rough, bro. Like agony, man. You need some fucking treatment.
I'm trash, bro. So where's your car?
My car?
Mm-hmm.
It's in storage, like you said.
The purple
Accord
leaning
in the house.
Accord. Diego Purple. Sexy Purple Diego? No, what? We can call
Oh,
you
that sounds good.
Sexy Diego Purple.
That sounds like a gay stripper. I think that's a gay stripper name, bro. I think you're trying to fuck me.
Yep. Halfway done.
That one's done.
I know.
We're really almost done with it already. I already did that whole side.
We had a lot of those things over here because the paint was bad, so now